This is the main part of Circle. This is the interchange. As you can see, you got the flyover over there. They call it the Dubai of Accra. Yeah, so that's the interchange. It all goes to different areas. You've got ring roads. It all goes to like different parts. And if you cross over, you'll see a lot of sellers. There's a lot of merchants. They sell everything, starting from fruits, food, snacks. They sell everything here. They also sell a lot of gadgets as well. So this is the gadget central. This is like if you're looking for gadgets, this is the place to be. They sell phones. There's so many phone shops. I wouldn't call it a shop because they sell it on a table. And you've got to be very careful. I would recommend buying a phone from these people because they either don't work or they're probably stolen. They sell a lot of accessories as well, like phone accessories. I wouldn't mind buying some phone accessories, but do not buy a phone. They sell glasses. They sell second-hand clothes. If you haven't got money, you can buy second-hand clothes, which is really cheap. The locals call it false. Yeah, so this is like the market area. You buy second-hand trainers. Some beads. Soap. Flip-flops. Got some tiger nuts. So I heard tiger nuts is an aphrodisiac. So fellas, if you're having problems in the bedroom, eat some eat some tiger nuts. Let's see, phones. More phones. Some confectionaries, soap, toilet roll. This is local soap. I can't remember the name of it, but it's supposed to be really good for you. Literally, you can get anything here. Watches, more phones, watches. High heels, ladies. Got some high heels. More phones. Literally, this place is gadget central. So if you're looking for anything to do with gadgets, chargers, phones, stereos, fridges, stolen phones, broken phones, this is the place to be. It's very busy. And these people, they come out around 7 o'clock in the morning, they sell till like really late, like sometimes even 9 o'clock in the evening. This place never sleeps. More phone accessories. Watches. Where's the brandy? Oh, I just noticed they do tattoos as well. I should have got mine here. This is my new tattoo. I don't know if you can see it. But I'm so dark I can't even see it. Oh, there you go, there you go. Yeah, I got this in Barcelona because I'm a king, so I have to get it on my hand. Yeah, so they do tattoos here as well. Oh, that's a tattoo shop up there. More phone shops. More phone shops. Buy motorbikes if you want. You can literally buy anything here, anything you can get. Motorbikes. This is the busy part of Circle. Very, very, very busy. Laptops. Sell laptops. Crocs. Bags. And there's loads of places here that repair phones as well. So if your phone breaks, like if you get a cracked screen, you can get it repaired here. But I'm a bit iffy, you know. I'd rather go to a proper shop. But whatever you do not buy a phone from this place. I've been warned so many times, do not buy. Yeah, don't buy a phone. If you want a phone, you go to a proper shop. As they say, you get what you pay for. Caps. So food over there, jollof rice, curry and beans. Chargers. Coconut, yeah, say 5. Right, so I'm getting. You saw. Right, so I'm ordering some coconut. As you can see, I had to learn a few words. I call them all the local words that you need to get around, you know? Like, thank you, Medase. Akwaba is welcome. ASA means how much? What straw? So juicy. It's so sweet. Just what I needed. It's so hot. So hot. I needed something to cool me down a little bit. Guys, it's boiling hot. I'm so tempted to go back to the hotel. It's boiling hot. I think it's probably more than 30. 30 degrees today. It's madness. Yeah. So right now I'm going to take you guys to the transport area. So if you're from the UK, think about Victoria Coach Station. I'm going to take you to the main station. So if you want to get transport to any part of Ghana, like to the northern region, Tema, Kumasi, anywhere in Ghana, we've got transport. So I'm going to show you guys where it is. As you can see, I'm on the other side. I'm in the middle of the road, because over there it's really busy. Too busy over there. But the transport bit is over there. So we're gonna walk over the bridge. This is a bridge, by the way. I think it's Tower Bridge. Or London Bridge, which one is it? I'm gonna try and cross over. Gotta be quick. So this is the bridge. Unfortunately, it's not pretty. It is not pretty at all. Everywhere can't be perfect, right? The transport business is so big over here, so big. So you got the sharing ones, the local sharing ones. It's two cities for short journeys. I think it's 5. If you go to the last stop, it's 5 cities. Still cheap. So if you're local, if you're from the area, and you don't want to be spending money on cabs, like chartered cabs, that's one to use. Even the cabs, like the sharing cabs, are cheap. I didn't ask how much it was, but yeah, it's definitely a lot cheaper. But even the chartered ones that I took a chartered one from Newtown. That was only 20 cities, still cheap. It's like a 20-minute ride. So yeah, that's the cheapest way to get around. And then they have Bolt as well. So Bolt is a lot cheaper. Bolt's really cheap. And someone said they got Uber as well, but I haven't seen Uber. But yeah, they've got Bolt. Bolt's what I've been using. I've been paying like £1 per journey. You'll pay £2 max for a Bolt. If you get a Bolt, it will cost you £2, nothing more. But I always tip them. I'll give them an extra tip because I'm used to paying £10, 15, 20. So this is nothing. So this is the train track. This one doesn't work. This track doesn't work, but I think the one going to Tema, that one definitely works. So I think we just arrived at the transport area. Well, that's the lorry terminal. But the buses are over there. Right, so if you want to go to Kumasi, this is the entrance. This is the entrance to go to Kumasi. It's a bit dark. Get a ticket. Let's go to Kumasi. These are the prices. So if you go to the north, it's $2.50. Yeah, it's $2.50. That's very interesting. I didn't know this. So it's $2.50 going to Temale. So Temale is the northern part, the northern region. It's quite far. So yeah, I think the last bus is around 3 p.m. And then to Accra, sorry, to Kumasi, it's 100 cedis, which is really cheap. 100 cedis. Guys, that is so cheap. 100 cedis. Yo, check this out. So I just converted. It's 100 cedis. That is £6. £6 for a 4-hour journey to Kumasi. But this is the standard transport. This is like the uncomfortable journeys. But I think if you want like an air-conditioned bus or the SCC buses, it might be slightly more, but still cheap. Still cheap. Guys, I'm boiling hot. I can't take this no more. So I'm gonna get a cab. I'm gonna head back to the hotel. Probably come back tomorrow. Continue. Yeah, but it's really, really hot. So I just gave you a glimpse of the centre part of Accra Circle. Hope you guys liked it. It's a nice experience. Different, but very nice. Yes, I'm going to end the vlog now. We're going to recruit back at the hotel, then we're going to come back and continue.